Hi children, welcome to Amazing Skills channel. Today I am going to teach 6th class science second lesson knowing about plants part 3, that is about root system. In previous classes we have discussed shoot system. Today we are going to discuss about root system. Children, if you are not subscribed our channel, subscribe it now for many more new videos. Children, in previous videos we have discussed the parts of the plant. So plant is divided into two systems. One is shoot system, another is root system. Shoot system is the plant part of the plant which is above the ground, that is called shoot system. Plant which is below the ground, that is under the ground, that is called root system. Children, basically roots are divided into four types. One is fibrous roots, another is tap root, propagative roots, that is also called prop roots, and another is adventitious roots. Children, let us see about tap root system. A tap root is a primary root system which consists of lateral branched roots with the fine rootlets. Example, carrot and turnip, beetroot, etc. Children, you can see the examples of tap root system and fibrous root system in this picture. Children, let us see about fibrous root system. It appears as a large number of roots of equal size arises from the base of the stem by replacing a primary root. Fibrous roots have a bushy appearance and consist of thin root fibers. Example, wheat, rice, maize, grass, etc. Here in this picture, green onion is the example of fibrous root. Next, let us see about adventitious root system. In this type, massive root growth appears from any part of the plant body other than the primary root. Example, banyan tree and monstera, etc. Children, you can see the example of adventitious roots, aerial roots. These are also part of adventitious. Banyan tree roots and sugarcane roots. So these are prop roots to support the tree. Children, these are the other examples of adventitious roots or aerial prop roots, give extra support to the stem of the plant. Children, you can see mangrove swamp, that is a mangrove roots. These also prop roots. Children, here you can see some of the specialized roots called respiratory roots. These roots are projected or coming out of the ground and taking the respiration. These are called pneumatophores. You can see many pneumatophores around the tree. Next one is buttress roots. These roots helps for the stability of the tree. Stability in shallow soil, mostly seen in tropical trees. It is a form of prop root. Children, we all know there are two types of seeds, monocote seeds and dicote seeds. Monocote is single seed, dicote is double seed. That is, two cotyledons are available. Children, one more important point, single seed, that is monocote, will gives the fibrous root plant, and double seed, that is dicote seeds, will gives the tap rooted plants. Next, children, what are the parts of a root and how it works? Here you can see primary root and secondary root and tertiary root. If you see closely, root hair, region of maturation, region of elongation, region of cell division, and tip you can see, that is region of root cap. Children, let us see about the root hair cell structure. It has large surface area to absorb lots of water. It has thin cell wall to allow water to pass through easily. It does not contain any chloroplast unlike all other plant cells. Next, function. It absorbs minerals and water from the soil. Children, in this picture clearly you can see how from root hair cells water and minerals are absorbed and it goes to roots, stem and plants. Children, let us see the roots functions. There are two functions are there for the root, primary function and secondary function. Primary functions are fixation, absorption, transportation and holding the soil together. Children, let us see first function, that is fixation. That is, fixing and supporting the plant in one place. Next, second one is absorption, that is absorbing the water and minerals through the root hair cells. Next, third one is transportation. From the root hair cells, the water and minerals are transported to the all parts of the plant. Next, fourth one, children, that is holding the soil together. That means it is holding the soil and preventing the soil erosion. Children, in this picture you can observe how roots are holding the soil together and preventing soil erosion. What is soil erosion? Moving away or wearing away soil from one place to other place by the wind or water. Next, secondary functions of the roots are storage and mechanical support. You know, mechanical support means it supports the tree, like example banyan tree. Thank you for watching this, children. Keep like, share and subscribe our channel for more videos. Bye. See you in next videos.